Hey guys, so pack a fake fidget gift with me. So first in this fake order, we're putting it in a Christmas gift for a gift. And then, so the first thing is we're going to put the snowman puppet. Gonna put monkey noodle, snowman dimple, a glow-in-the-dark wacky track, a mini puppet, a styrofoam squishy, mini pop tube, rose gold acupressure ring, and we're gonna get a surprise lipstick out of here. And we got Blossom moisturizing lip gloss, along with a pack of stickers. And last but not least, a DNA ball. Now let's get some tissue paper. And the fake order is ready. Bye!